welcome back to my channel, but today we're on the opposite side of the filming room. So today is a video I've been meaning to do for like a month, and it's something that needs to be done. I need to go through the entire filming room closet, minus like my try-on haul to-do rack, but then I also need to go through my whole closet upstairs in my bedroom. So today we're going to start off with the filming room because I need to get rid of some clothes. I need to donate some, maybe some needs to be trashed, sell some, whatever it may be, but something needs to happen because I keep running out of hangers, so it is time to get rid of some. So we're going to start in this section here. So I think I'm going to start with, I've got my jacket collection, which I also have the closet in the entryway with stuff, so I guess we'll have to do a stop there. But this is day one. We're going to start with the jackets. I'm going to do like this side is give away or remove and this side keep. I think we'll do that. Yeah. So I am just going to grab a handful and I guess we're going to get started. So let's see. Let's do these ones. I haven't worn this yet, but we're gonna keep. I gotta try this one on, but this one I'm gonna keep. This one might be a no. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. Do we want to keep or do we want to get rid of? What do we think? You can let me know down below. So I took a look in the mirror and actually I like it with this outfit, so I guess I'm keeping it. This isn't going well. As a maybes. I need to try them on before I like fully decide. So this is one of the maybes. This one was from Shein, I think about a year ago. Ugh. I don't know. See, I like it because I get hot easy and it is like purely mesh. And I don't have anything light like this. This is gonna be a maybe. So my maybes I'm gonna like revisit in like a month or two because I find sometimes if I'm on the fence, if I come back like a month, maybe a couple months later, I do change my mind sometimes. So this one's a maybe. And next up on the maybe list is this like military style coat from Torrid. I've actually had it for, it's probably one of my first items from Torrid, but I haven't really been reaching for it quite as much. And I feel like maybe it's a little snug in the shoulders. Okay, I'll sell this one just because it is a little snug. So we have one for sure, get rid of. And the other one that was a maybe is another Shein jacket that I haven't worn yet. It's really, really lightweight. I got it at the same time as like the brown velvety one. Okay, this one I think I'm gonna get rid of too. It's cute, but I don't love it. So, okay, progress. We have two no's and one maybe, and the rest are stays. Next up I have my blazers, which I'm going to be honest, I'm probably going to keep them all. Yeah, probably. So I know this one and this one are keeps. Actually, I'm going to retry this one on because I haven't worn it since last year and I don't know if I've gained weight or not. So we're going to make sure it's not snug. But this one is pretty cute. It's got like this peplum style to the bottom. Oops. Oh, it's a little snug. Oh, okay. I may have to get rid of this one. I don't want to though because look at it. It's so cute. Okay, I might have to part ways with this one because I used to be someone who held on to clothes like, oh, one day I'll lose weight, one day I'll lose weight and I'll wear it. We're done that. I'm done doing that. So next up, we've got a green one and a cat print one. This one I'm going to try on. Actually, I'm going to try them both on because I have two cat print blazers. Both are from Shein. A couple years ago, they released a lot of this cat print on stuff. So I bought like 4 items with the same print because I could. Keep. That one's good. This green one. I do want to keep this one as long as it's not snug. But we will see. Not enough to worry about. I'm going to keep this one because I have really been liking this green shade and like this velvety suede material. I'm all for. So another keep. I actually have to try on all the blazers just to make sure they still fit. I know the cat ones were oversized, but I'm going to try them on anyway. This one is the two-toned contrast cat print. So we've got the business side. And then we got my crazy cat lady personality on the other. That one's good. Zebra print. Now, a lot of these Shein ones aren't the best quality. They're pretty thin and unlined, but that's okay. I'm cheap. Anyway. Ooh, okay, this one, although it looks like it fits kind of good, I feel like if I go like this, it's going to hulk the back. So we're going to give this one up, unfortunately. I think this is the only torrid one I have. And this is another peplum style. This one should still fit. It's probably my best quality blazer that I own. But it's torrid. So of course it's going to be good quality. Oh yeah, definitely keeping this one. I like that peplum makes me look like I have a butt, but I don't. This one, keep. Another one to go. This one's oversized as well. It's a little tight again. Bummer. Okay. Go. 2 more to go. We've got my only vest. This one's going to be an automatic keep because I don't have to worry about the arms fitting that great. Last one is a houndstooth contrast blazer. I'm actually pretty sad about having to get rid of so many blazers. I think my arms got bigger in the last year, which is causing an issue. Or is it the sleeves that are on my shirt currently? That's a good question. I think this one's gonna have to go too. Now to put the blazers back. That actually made a difference that time, as much as I didn't want to get rid of that many, but I mean, I can't keep holding on to stuff that's not gonna fit right. two of going through the clothes, figuring out what we need to get rid of and what I'm keeping. We're gonna ignore this outfit. I'm very much so just in that mode to do stuff around the house today. So let's get into it. So we'll do, what was it? Which side was it? So we'll do give and keep. This and this. This one a definite keep. This one I don't know about. This I bought actually pretty much 1 year ago for a potential 30th birthday outfit and ended up going with something else. So this, I can't see me really wearing with anything else. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. And get rid of dresses. Oh no, this is actually a very like high-low top. I think I'm gonna keep, and this top I'm gonna keep as well. So all my belts I'm gonna keep. This bag I'm going to keep. Now these tops I haven't worn this yet. I'm going to keep that one. This is the one that I wore for my 30th birthday last year. This one I like. I'm going to keep. I'm going to try these two button-ups on just because I'm not a big fan of this material. I think I maybe worn this once. It still fits. I'm gonna get rid of this one. That way. And then this one's like this blue velvety. And again, I haven't worn this either. Potentially I'd like to wear them to work, but I just get hot way too easy. So I end up not wearing some of this stuff. But I do like it. I'm gonna get rid of it. Pants. Let's do this. I have to try these ones on. So maybe. And keep. Good, try these on. These pants I bought last Halloween. I really like them. They've got this little bat decal on the booty. It's slight distressing, but if I remember correctly, they were just like a smidge too tight. I'm going to retry them because now they're probably even more tighter, and if they are, I'll part ways. Pants on, they're just a little bit too tight right here. So they're going to go. See if I can step all over this crap. Last section is dresses, but there's actually a bag over here I think I want to get rid of too, so I'm going to grab that. Not this one, but there goes my hook. Awesome. That one I'm keeping. This one I got from Shein and I haven't touched it, so it's gonna go too. Hi, Charlotte. Hi. What are you doing? Don't lay on the clothes, thank you. So, this dress I recently got from Cider. Well, not recently. Oh, she's hitting the stand. If you're wobbly, it's her fault. Charlotte, stop it. Let's see. Got it from Cider. I love it. That is a keep. This one I liked, but I needed to size up. That goes. This one and this one. Keep. These aren't all my dresses, but this one is so stinking cute from Curve Sole. Highly recommend this. This one's also Curve Sole. I think I'm going to keep that one for now. This dress is really nice, but I don't know. I think I need to try it on again just to double check. Cute. And maybe. Yeah. Just tried this one. Ooh! Over top. Oh, I think I just broke a hanger. Uh-oh. This one I'm just trying it on top of my jeans. I was going to get rid of it, but it is really pretty. I've got nowhere to wear it, but I think I'm going to hold on to it in case maybe one day I have somewhere to wear it. Uh-huh. Now to put all the clothes away, but all the kitties are getting in the way. So that is all for the filming room, I believe, for now, because I still have like the try-on rack, and I didn't do the skirts because I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep all the skirts. Yeah, but that is everything. So if you like these kind of videos, I can do a part 2 when I go through my bedroom clothes. And if you have any tips for filming in this style, let me know, because this is my first time doing this type of video and it's possibly a little bit shoddy. I don't know, we'll see. Bye guys.